Hello everyone, welcome back. This is episode 9, and in this episode, we're gonna discuss about the things they can be counted as a whole. So in this episode, all the measure words are used for plural nouns. So let's get started. The first measure word is 数. 数 is used for counting things in strings or in strip shaped. They are wrapped up like a bouquet which can be carried easily by hands. Use your imagination. You can see this Chinese character. It looks like a bouquet, right? So if you try to remember it, you can picturize this Chinese character. And let's see some examples. The examples of 树. 一束花, 一束花. 一 means one. 花 means flowers. 一束光, 一束光. 一 means one. 光 means light. So you can see these two examples. 一束花 means one bouquet of flowers. And 一束光. So you can see the first example. One bouquet of flowers. Flowers can be wrapped up by like a bundle. So flowers can be wrapped up. So your hand can easily carry it up. And the second example, 一束光, one stream of light. You can see in this picture, you can see many lines of lights go through the woods. So this as a whole, it looks like a stream of lights. And let's see the second measure word is 团. 团 is used for counting fluffy things in bowl-like shape, such as clouds, yarn balls, skeins, cottons, etc. And you can actually picturize this Chinese character for you to remember easily. You can see this Chinese character. It has a circle, not circle, but like a bit round on the corner in the square. And there are some strokes inside the square, right? And you can think like a fluffy things in the square. And fluffy things bowl-like shape in the square. So this as a whole, the thing like yarn balls, skeins, or clouds that are like fluffy in a certain round shape. So they use this measure word to count. So let's see the examples of 团. 团, 两团毛线. 两团毛线. 两 means two. 毛线 means yarn balls or skeins. 一团云. 一团云. It means one. 云 means cloud. The third measure word is 撮. 撮 has two usages. The first one is it is used for counting small amount of hair or powders. And the second is it is a unit of measurement, like a pinch of something, like a pinch of salt, a pinch of flour, etc. And the examples of 撮, 一撮毛发, 一撮毛发. It means one. 毛发 means hairs. It means a tuft of hairs. And next example, 一撮盐, 一撮盐. It means one. 盐 means salt. It means a pinch of salt. And the fourth measure word is 对. 对 is used for counting for things or people that can be put in pairs, such as a couple, husband and wife, two chairs, etc. And next, examples of 对. 一对情侣. 一对情侣. 一 means one. 情侣 means couple. 一对夫妻. 一对夫妻. 一 means one. 夫妻 means husband and wife. And there are more examples of 对. 一对耳环. 一对耳环. It means one. 耳环 means earrings. 一对杯子. 一对杯子 It means one. 杯子 means mugs. So these two examples are one pair of earrings and one pair of mugs. The fifth measure word is shuāng. Shuāng. Shuāng is used for counting things they are only in pairs, such as chopsticks, eyes, shoes, socks, gloves. Like these things, they are only in pairs. Like chopsticks, you use 2 chopsticks to eat. And eyes, normally people have 2 eyes only. And shoes, people wear 2 shoes normally. Only if you have a 3rd leg, maybe you wear 3 shoes. And socks. Socks, normally people also wear 1 pair of socks, right? And gloves. Gloves, you have 1 pair of gloves for your 2 hands. So this measure word is mainly used for the things they are only in pairs. And let's see the examples of shuāng. 一双鞋 一双鞋 It means one. 鞋 means shoes. 鞋 means shoes. 一双筷子一双筷子 It means one. 筷子 means chopsticks. So these examples are 1 pair of shoes and 1 pair of chopsticks. And more examples of shuāng. 一双眼睛一双眼睛 It means one. 眼睛 means eyes. 一双袜子一双袜子 It means one. 袜子 means socks. So these examples are 1 pair of eyes, 1 pair of socks. And the 6th measure word is 付 付 付 has 2 usages. One, it is counting for things that are in pairs. But it is not specifically indicate if the things are naturally in pairs or it can be pairs. The things have to be only in pairs or it can be in pairs. And the second usage is to count for the body, facial expression, gesture, words, or skills of a person or an animal. And let's see the examples. Probably you will get more general idea of this measure word. The examples of 付一副眼镜一副眼镜眼镜 means glasses, eyeglasses. 一副拽样一副拽样 E means one. 拽样 means arrogant face. It also can mean arrogant act. 一副马鞍一副马鞍 E means one. 马鞍 means saddle. The 7th measure word is 桌桌 桌 is used for counting whole food collectively on a table. It's like a table of food or a table of something, like a table of drinks, a table of cookies, a table of meat. So this measure word actually kind of equals to a table of. And let's see more examples. 一桌菜一桌菜 It means one. 菜 means dishes. And next, the 8th measure word is 套套 套 is used for counting as a whole for things in similar categories of function. Commonly used on counting furniture, apartments, and suits. Let's see more examples. 一套家具一套家具 E means one. 家具 means furniture. 一套西装一套西装 E means one. 西装 means suit. 一套公寓一套公寓 E means one. 公寓 means apartment. And lastly, the ninth measure word is 族. 族 is used for counting people or things are systematically or strategically divided into groups or into sets. Let's see examples of 族. 一组人 It means one. 人 means people. 一组小孩 It means one. 小孩 means kids. So you can see these two examples. 一组人 means like one group of people. And 一组小孩 means one group of kids. This measure word is used for like in a big group and then you divide it into several parts, especially like for things and people. And next example, 一组咖啡器材 It means one. 咖啡器材 means coffee equipment. So we can see on this photo, coffee equipment on this photo has 4 types of coffee equipment. We can call it like a set of 4 coffee equipments. Like for example, if the shop are selling like 4 equipments in a set, so you can use this measure word to say, I want this set of coffee equipments. So you can use this measure word. 我要这一组咖啡器材. That means I want this set of coffee equipments. So that's it over today for the episode 9. So we'll see you on the episode 10 next time. And don't forget, and if our videos have helped you, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And stay tuned for the last episode 10.
Keep on moving on.
Bye.